Kaning guys, salamat kay niabot siya sa mga live guys. Guys, niabot siya sa mga live guys, tapos unexpected na guys, tapos sabi ko
Sa una niya ni pag-uli, alauna na.
nga man dahil guys nga man lagi ko
Majuti pa niya alas 6.
Dili na ko mato guys, hindi na ko majuti guys. Mura na mo daw kulutuan ni guys. Tapos hindi na mo ganan sa trabaho guys. Mura na mo to. Wow mo na trabaho nito guys. Gusto ko ganag ko ano guys. Guys ako call out ko sa DepEd guys na dapat trabaho guys kay ano guys. Waiting na yung malalaw guys. Hindi niya ako pa. Kaning celebration nga bunga guys, tapos nakakuha to guys, tapos mag-litson ko guys. Mag-order ako sa isa guys, tapos ato siya sa balay guys, mag-celebrate dili tayo guys. Kaning simple sa parents sa ninja guys, kaya kung may nag-best class ninja guys, tapos after na guys, pwede na ito sa balay guys, tapos mga ko magdagat guys, tapos with family na guys, tapos bukasan na rin mo guys.
An unexpected love. Sometimes the best things in life comes when you least expect them. I never thought that someone like you would suddenly walk into my life and change everything. You came unexpectedly, yet you became one of the most important people I have ever known. From the very first time we met, I felt something different. A warmth, a comfort, and a happiness I didn't even know I was missing. As we celebrate our first Mansari Palanga, I can't help but look back and smile at how it all started. It may have been unexpected, but it was perfectly timed. Every moment with you has been filled with laughter, understanding, and love that keeps growing stronger each day. You told me that love doesn't always need a plan. Sometimes it just happens. And when it does, it's the most beautiful surprise. To my unexpected girlfriend, Franceline Ong, my palangga, my future wife, who become my favorite person. Thank you for coming into my life and making it brighter. Here's to our first month together and to many more months and memories ahead. I love you very much, Palangga. Palangga, kabalo na kaon sa tiga ka love. Padayon data sa ato mga plano pohon. I love you very much, Palangga.
Ay sa, kana mo kita ni mo malihok.
Kasi siyempre nag-starting. Yes. September 25, 2025. So it's wow. No.
Iya, katugon na mong good ka. Katugon na ka?
I'm speechless.
Katugon na ka? Okay, wrong letter.
parang like it's official. Parang
Ha?
ano, girlfriend ka na.
Ano sa may panid?
Oh my God. Ano, I'm so happy talaga. Wow. I promise talaga na I'll be the best boyfriend, a man for you talaga.
We.
Wow. Gano'n sa feelings ko talaga.
Okay ra ang letter.
Wow.
Nagtuo ka.
Wasa di prank ko ani?
Nagtuo ka nga ang letter sa ipasahay.
Yes. Hindi mo prank. Prank.
Wala, wasi katiyugon ra.
Pwede ko na ko. O, kaning ko siya ako.
Sige.
Wow. Parang ka,
Katuko nagnamo.
natuman na lang ko ay birthday wish.
Belated gani.
Like, advance mo na kayo. Pero, mas okay daw. Wow.
It's early gani.
I'll take note September 25. Wow, 25 minutes pa lang nga. Like, sa December 25, mag-anniversary na tana.
Gago.
Kung ka, I'm so happy. Pwede na i-post.
Sa?
Yes, na ako yung girlfriend.
Lo.
After 25 years.